Welcome back to No Recipes, where we're elevating everyday meals using tried and true techniques. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today we're going to be making a chocolate pudding that's so nutritious you can eat it for breakfast. It also happens to be plant-based, which makes it vegan-friendly, and it's ridiculously quick and easy to prepare. Just how quick, you ask? Well, I guess you'll have to stick around to find out. Our ingredients today are chia seeds, coconut milk, a high-quality cocoa powder, coconut sugar, and vanilla extract. First, we're going to use a clean coffee grinder to mill the chia seeds into a powder. The chia seeds not only add a ton of fiber and protein, they're also going to magically thicken our pudding. The idea is to get the seeds ground as finely as possible before adding them to the blender with the liquids. This step isn't required, but it helps make the pudding satiny smooth, especially if you don't have a high-speed blender. Once the seeds start looking like a fine, wet sand like this, they're good to go. Next, we're gonna add our ground chia seeds, cocoa powder, coconut sugar, coconut milk, and vanilla extract to a high-speed blender like a Vitamix. Check the description for a link to the blender that I use. Now we just need to blend everything together. I start at a low speed and then gradually increase the speed to max. Normally you'd want to do this with the lid on, but I risked setting off a chocolate explosion in my kitchen so I could show you guys what this looks like as it all comes together. Once the mixture is smooth, you're done! I told you this would be quick! Now we're gonna pour the chia chocolate pudding into serving size cups and refrigerate it. It may seem a bit runny now, but give it an hour in the fridge and it'll thicken up. Just look at how smooth and creamy that pudding is. And to think, it only took about a minute to make. I like to top this chocolate pudding with some coconut cream whipped together with a bit of orange zest or vanilla. Together, they make for a sublimely rich and decadent dessert that no one is gonna guess is plant-based. Well, that's it for this week, but check out the link in the description for my full chocolate chia pudding recipe, and be sure to leave a comment to let me know what you want to see me make next. Want to see more? Give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss my next delicious video.